So, guys, after a long time, I have found the way to make a new video. So, yeah, so let us open up our browser from scratch. Full screen. Let me create a new project. And this video is all about an show of these two, Fave and Love. So, sometimes there's a level that is locked. You need to Fave and Love to unlock that. So, you can't verify that. For that, sometimes I got the idea once. When they do this, they need to send a comment. Then I'll go to profile and see have they done it or not. Instead of that, will I be online at all time? No. So this is a simple way to do it. So let's start. So let us delete this. No, this. Let us paint a new sprite. Zoom in and this. Save. Okay. So here draw a rectangle. Wait, do not hold shift. So here it comes. So here just move it until it disappears from the screen. And it should be here. So right here. So here, let us do this. When flat light to check this is it working. Then touching mouse pointer. Then say broadcast message. So here when I receive message one. So let's check this out. So this is a bit right, and yeah, let me move this thing. Now, so here we need to move this a little bit left. Choose this. And now let us save this and check. Done. Nice. You need to sometimes work on this. When you are working on this, you need to sometimes depend on randomness. You need to just keep using it. So here, a bit more left. What's happening? What's my luck? So it will work now. 110%. Yes. So this is simply working here. What did I do? So let us see the project page. Then, yeah, just take a small measure from the heart. I'll take item. Yeah. So it is here. So it's here. So let us copy this and make a new. It just will be save. So just paste. Sorry. And to copy this. Then let us paste it here. To go off screen for this. Let me simply paste it here. Then take the object. Then take the measurement point. Let me do this here. It's a bit tricky this time. And it's here. or just zoom into that position. Now you can like move it here. So now you can delete this small dot. So let us see, does it work with this one? And broadcast. Listen to the same. I need to verify this. So here, let me just hide this so it won't work. The hiding in this makes it not work. Oh, okay, got it. It's like really confusing. I'll just delete this. This video is 6 minutes. Mm, bit of 15. And this takes a lot of time. In my that clicker push, not clicker push and pixel move clicker. Like it took not even a minute to do this. Okay, got it very good. Now let us move this a bit left. A bit more left. Calculation is a must in this. So now it works. So done. So we will just do something. This. That I've done this. Instead of doing this, let us make two variables. Otherwise, project. Okay, there's another one. So let us both hide this. And flag click and see what side. Let's show it. Set project saved and love to 0. So we are in love. So set this to 1. So then let us do the same with this. So that I might do this. So let me show you this. Yeah. Let us save this. Go to the project page. Project loud. Yeah, project failed. So I'm going to show a bit code in this. This part is only for showing you. If then else, then else, if then. Don't need this. We'll just do it if then. So grab and, not and. Yeah, greater than. Project field greater than equal to 1. Let us do this. Equal to 1, then say field. Let us just delete this. Detector. Let us make this 1 second about. Save it now, go to projectors, and here's the magic. Here, love. Okay, got this. 1 second. Then we need to set it back to zero at that time. Otherwise, it will just go saying it continuously. So let me show you how this. Here, cloud, it will end. Failed, end. So that's it for this video. Please like the channel. Okay, I'm saying something else. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't and like them. Can you see the sub button here? Just below the video, there will be a button same color. Just smash it like this. So thanks and goodbye.